Hey guys, it's Sherry Capers with a Tiny Cup of Real Estate, and today I am at 676 Paisley Avenue. I am in East Atlanta, and I am at a mixer. This is a beautiful 5-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it has been totally renovated. Dre Crawford is the contractor that did the renovations in his house. So I wanted to have an opportunity to show you guys all the features and how pretty the home came out. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'll give you guys an opportunity to see the area. Really pretty over here. Again, I am in East Atlanta. There's so many different shops and little restaurants, and honestly it reminds me of New Orleans, this area, because of just the shops and everything. And I'm going to videotape some of those and talk to the owners there. So this is the front of the home. Wide porch, screened in, and it's also screened in the backyard. And I think on the flyer, the square footage is 2346, I believe it is. So it's a lot of noise and a lot of music. So bear with me rather. So as you come in, you have a nice family room on your side. And I love the details of the hardwood flooring. And that's the contractor, his wife, and some other agents that he's talking to. I mean, they really did a nice job. The owner of the property is also here. But as we come in, I'm going to go to the right. And as you see, again, he put in a lot of modern finishes. This is the backsplash. In a shower, and we're going to go into the bedroom here. So this is the bedroom on the main level, and what the owner explained to me is when she first purchased this property, it was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath bungalow, and what they did is came in and they totally regutted and they added an addition to the top 2 levels of the home. So it's a really nice home. And this is the eating area, the family room, or the formal dining room. And as you come in, you see the kitchen. Say hey, y'all. That's Jay Crawford. He's the contractor. His beautiful wife. And she also, what's the name of your other company? Clean Start. And it's a holistic spa. And she has 3 locations. One in Johns Creek, Buckhead, and in Miami. So y'all need to check her out. If you want information, let me know and I can send you guys all her info. That's the owner there.
We're just visiting.
Oh, they just visited.
We're under other slippers.
Oh, they're investors as well. Okay, so in the kitchen you have stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel refrigerator. It's really nice. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. And as you guys see, you have an eating area as well. So this area, if you really wanted to, you could easily put your, if you didn't want this to be your center focal point for your eating area, you can easily have it here in this corner as well. So now here. In this area, here's a really nice walk-in closet, again, hardwood floors. And that's one of the things that I like that they did do is that up and down, they have hardwood floors throughout. So come on guys, let's take the walk upstairs. And if you notice, they also have the spindle staircasing. So as you come in, this is the first area upstairs. And I would consider this like a multi-purpose type area where you could either do yoga, you can do studying, watch a movie, it could be a kid's playroom, it could be a computer room, sewing room, whatever you want to do, because it's kind of off-centered, like off the main area, so it wouldn't be too noisy, even though it's the first room off the upstairs. And here is where you would have your washer and dryer area. That's a nice size, and they also have a small closet in the for the washer and dryer as well. So, before we go up the 3rd level, let's just go to the 2nd level. This is the 1st bedroom on the 2nd level. As you see, again, hardwood flooring. Walk-in closet. And as you see, I'm giving you guys a view of the hallway. So they came in on the second level and they did a pretty good job with the hardwood flooring. I love hardwood floors. I mean, I'm a huge fan of hardwood flooring. So I like the way they were able to finish the flooring. Again, this is a mixer, an open house. So you may see people coming in and out in the camera because there are other realtors, other potential buyers that are also looking at the home as I am filming you guys on Facebook Live. So this secondary bedroom is very wide. I like it. I like the finishes. I like this area, the lamps, not the lamps, my other some brain dead just that quick. Again, the same type of backsplash. The lighting. Sorry, y'all, lighting. So as you come down, again, so you had your multi-purpose area, you had your first bedroom, your secondary bathroom, and in here is your master bedroom. This master bedroom features 2 closets. This is the first closet. Again, hardwood flooring. You come out, and with this master bath, instead of leaving a tub, what they did was went in and they made an oversized shower. So that's really nice. And off the master bedroom, oh, here's the other closet. This is a nice size closet as well. It's really wide. So you have plenty of room to put additional racks in there as well. So I am going to go now. Oh, this is the other bedroom. Sorry about that. This is the bedroom off the master. And one of the things that I did ask the owner as well as the contractor, I'm very surprised that, okay, let me see if you guys can get the angle. I'm surprised that you guys see on the left, that's the master bedroom, right? And then on this side, that's an additional third bedroom. So these are 2 bedrooms next to each other. I was surprised that they did not knock out the wall and just make this one master suite, because this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home. I thought it was 2.5, but it's 5-3. So it would be really nice. And the owner, I thought she was just joking. She said if I were to bring her a buyer, that she would consider actually having to knock out that wall and make it a master suite. So that's a good incentive. The list price of this house is $529. Again, we're in East Atlanta. So, you know, real estate property anywhere in the city is just skyrocketing. But what do you guys think about that in terms of knocking out that wall and just making it one nice size master suite? I don't know who did that. So again, let's go upstairs. So we're going to go upstairs. This is the only area that I've noticed that has carpet, which is this is the 3rd level. So they put in 3 levels. So this is a really nice size bonus area. However, it can also be used as a private suite. Now there's not a bathroom up here, but there is additional closet space, and it faces the backyard. So you can kind of like see the depth, how high we are up. See, we're on the 3rd level. So again, we come in, and this door to the right that I'm going to, this is just a crawl space. So it's not really anything there, but that 3rd private bonus room / bedroom area is a nice added touch. If you don't want to be bothered and you just want your own solitude, I guess it would be really good for like a teenager, that wants their own space, or just a person that just want, you know, like, oh, I know what would be really good. Like if you did an Airbnb and they wanted their own space and they can come down and use the bathroom and the kitchen. That would be a really good room to do that in, or have. So again, guys, we come. I'm going back downstairs. I'm going to show you guys backyard because it's fenced in. Hey Ferris. So again, this is 529. The address is 676 Paisley. The contractor is Jay Crawford and the owner is here as well. This home is listed, I think, with Chapman Hall. So I'm going to show you guys the backyard area as well. So this is going to the backyard. And you even have this little mud area, or extra space. Alrighty, so this is the backyard area. Nice deck. It already has electricity out here. But the backyard is really nice. It's private. I need to ask them. You see that lot behind the fence? I'm not sure if that's on this property line or if that's someone else's property. But even though you're in the city, you do get a nice size lot. And the siding is hardy plank siding. I like to get like the whole experience of the house. So what I'm going to do is go downstairs so you guys can actually see the full length of the house, or the back of the home. Lord, I hope there's no snakes here. Y'all know I am scared of snakes. I will be running. But let me turn the camera around so you guys can see the back of the house. They look like they just laid the grass down. Wow, look at the back. And you see all the way at the top. That's where I was when I was showing you guys how far up that I was in the house. But this is the back of the house, and that's a crawl space. It's like a stand-up crawl space, but it's not enough room to do any finishing in terms of adding additional living space from what the owner told me. But the good thing is also, you know, we're into energy efficiency, and they do have two nice size heating and air units that are heating and cooling the house, and they look pretty new almost. But this is just another screen area of the house. It's a really nice deck for entertaining as well. Now, one thing I do like, I just noticed this right away, is the bracking. You know, with partying and some of the mishaps with decks and people falling off decks, when you have a deck, it's very important to make sure that you have the extra brackings like they have here, so, or reinforcements, I guess. So he did pretty good with the reinforcements. I'm all underneath the deck, you guys. As you see, yeah, he did pretty good with that. And it's all the way around, so that's good. You can, so this deck seems to be reinforced pretty well. And these are the AC units. So that's all for now. I am going to, there's some little quaint shops and various vendors that I want to talk to about East Atlanta. So I'll have that on my Tiny Cup of Real Estate YouTube channel as soon as I get it edited. So you guys are lucky because I haven't even begun to start editing to upload all my videos that you guys see so far to a Tiny Cup of Real Estate. So you guys get firsthand as to some of the material that and content that you see on my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions about this house or any other house, feel free to give me a call. Sherry Capers, Beautiful Homes Now, 404-259-9062. You can go on my website, beautifulhomesnow.com. You can follow me on Instagram, and you can also go on my business page, which is Beautiful Homes Now, and my real estate channel is called A Tiny Cup of Real Estate. Please go and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.